This one's absolutely bonkers. I've decided to stay here in the Provo area because of gas issues, and I'm taking a look at what the temperatures are going to be like everywhere for the 4th of July. And for here, the 4th of July looks like it's going to be in the 80s, and the rest of the country looks like it's going to be cooking, like in the hundreds. So I know I've got a good base of followers out there. Can you let me know what your temperature is in, like a location and your temperature for the 4th of July? Because I thought I'd be cooking here in Provo, but I might be in one of the coolest places around, because the rest of the country looks crazy. So let's find out who's RVing in the hottest part of the country for the 4th of July. So let me know where you are and what the temperature is for the 4th. And I think here it's supposed to be like 86. So I'll let you know on the 4th of July, and you guys let me know, all right? Because I think we've got a cooker headed our way. So let's make this one kind of fun. Everybody out there, keep a look at your thermostats on the 4th and let me know, all right? And I'll keep posting if you keep watching. Thanks a lot. Bye.